How to remove your Gmail account from another device. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove your Gmail account from another device quickly and easily. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Gmail app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, you can simply tap on the profile icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And here, once you tap on it, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, just tap on the button that says Manage your Google account at the top. And now here, once you see the interface like this, you simply have to scroll down and tap on Security and Sign In. And now here, once you are inside this section, you simply have to scroll down to the section labeled Your Devices. And now here, you simply have to tap on Manage All Devices to see every device where your Google account is signed in. So here, simply find the device that you want to remove and you can simply tap on it. And here, once you see the interface like this, you can simply tap on the sign out button and this will immediately remove your Gmail account from that device. And that's it. That's how you can remove your Gmail account from another device. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.